There's a storm right now. Oh my god! What is up, guys? We are currently in Project GR Yaris because we are on our way to Speedy Fix, pero may bagyo today. As in, they categorized this storm named Paeng as a super severe typhoon, I guess. Basta grabe yung rain. Finally made it, guys. Tayo yung pinakauna dito sa loob ng Speedy Fix, and Project GR Yaris is there at the back. Gina-jack na nila yung car so that pwede tayo magpalit ng transfer case and differential fluid. Actually, sa 1,000 kilometers pa lang usually pinapalit na tong fluid. Kasi what they notice is that nung dinidrain nila at 1,000 kilometers, may mga parang weird bits of pieces na nasa loob. So we're gonna change that today. Isasabay na rin natin yung Airtec na operated intercooler for the GR Yaris. So this is the fluid that we're gonna be using, differential gear oil LX, specifically for the GR Yaris. Ito naman, guys, yung Airtec natin na operated intercooler. So ito siya, instruction manual. And the nice thing about the guys here sa Speedy Fix is they actually take time to to actually read the instructions on how to install parts. That's why usually they get it correct right away pag kinabit na nila, and you can expect na hindi ka kailangan bumalik ng shop for a back job. So guys, ito yung stock intercooler, and medyo maliit siya. Just above 3 inches. Bang! Halos 4.5. So currently, hinahanginan nila just to make sure there's nothing inside. Very, very, very light. We don't have a weighing scale here, pero sobrang gaan niya. Talagang mas mabigat to by a lot. Hopefully the benefits of the bigger core and the airflow efficiency will be much better than stock, para at least bawi lang yung weight na nadagdag, bawi sa efficiency ng engine performance. Oh my god, guys, the winds are crazy. We're literally gonna be driving home through a storm, so wish me luck. I'm kinda scared because we might have to pass through some flood. And GR Yaris was not made for that. Oh my god! We're literally going through a flood! We're not supposed to be doing this kind of thing with the GR Yaris. Oh my god!
A few moments later.
We are currently in the eye of the storm right now, which is why there isn't much rain right now, although it is still drizzling. But let me show you guys what the Airtec intercooler looks like on the car now that it's installed. Here it is, guys, the Airtec intercooler installed, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see nothing because the intercooler is actually black. It's just behind those grills, and yeah, that's basically the look that it gives, a very, very stealthy look. So there's no more silver thing over here. It's just black everything. And in terms of size, it actually goes all the way up to here, which is where the original air guides used to be. So we had to take those off for us to be able to install the Airtec intercooler. Oh my god! Oh my god, the tree fell! Oh! It's getting crazy out here. Anyway guys, I don't think I'll be able to do a test. There's a storm right now, but what I'm planning to do is actually take the car to the dyno so that we can finally know how much power it makes. So maybe I'll see you guys in the next Project GR Yaris vlog. I'll probably do an update on my Instagram on how the new intercooler feels, or at least affects the performance. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care. Goodbye.